Mazda 3 vehicles use two main key system types: traditional keyed ignition and push-start smart key systems. Traditional keyed systems require a physical key to start the vehicle, while the key fob manages locking and unlocking functions. Push-start systems provide keyless entry and ignition, requiring the key fob to be within 3 to 5 feet of the vehicle for operation. Programming synchronizes the key fob with the vehicle's immobilizer system, using rolling code encryption to ensure security against unauthorized access. Mazda's official programming method requires specialized diagnostic tools such as Mazda IDS software and can link up to 6 key fobs to the vehicle. DIY programming attempts may succeed on older Mazda 3 models, but often fail on newer vehicles due to anti-theft ECU requirements that prevent unauthorized access. Basic DIY steps involve entering the vehicle with a working key, cycling the ignition to the on position, and pressing the key fob buttons within the timing window. For keyed systems, insert the key into the ignition and cycle it to the on position multiple times while pressing the fob buttons simultaneously. For push-start systems, place the fob in the key slot if available and cycle the ignition, then press the fob buttons. Note that 2022 and newer models have a 10-minute timer to prevent brute force attacks. Replacement fobs must match the vehicle's VIN for anti-theft compatibility. Modern trends include the rise of keyless systems, integration with smartphone apps, and enhanced security features. Future Mazda models may adopt digital keys via smartphones, potentially eliminating physical fobs. Always consider professional help, as DIY attempts can void warranties or cause vehicle lockouts. Seek assistance from a Mazda dealership or authorized service center for key fob addition or replacement to ensure correct programming and vehicle security.